Here I have HTC Desire 22 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enter Fastboot mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to turn off your HTC, and after it turns off completely, what you have to do is to get a USB Type-C cable. On the other side, on one side connected to computer, on the other side connected to our HTC device. So how you should do it, you have to hold down the volume up, and while you hold it, insert cable and keep holding it until some kind of something interesting appears. So here appears Android robot just laying down in the middle of our screen. So what you have to do to proceed, hold down power key and press volume up once. In the following menu, using volume keys to navigate and power key to select the third option, enter Fastboot. And after that you will end up in the Fastboot mode. So in this mode, just like in the previous, you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have such options as reboot system now, enter recovery, reboot to bootloader, and power off. So if you want to quit this mode, just select the first option, reboot system now, and your device will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.